Good day to our viewers. In this content, I will be sharing with you about the meaning of research so that by the time we dive deeper into our content, our viewers would have developed an in-depth understanding of the concept of research. In this video, which will be leading the way into several other related videos in the future regarding the concept of research, our starting point is going to dwell on different definitions of research by various authors, researchers, and secondary sources. Let's dive straight into the subject matter. What is research, and what does research mean? The word research was coined by the old French word, which means to go about seeking, and also means to search. The earliest recorded use of the term was discovered in 1577. Research is a scientific approach of answering a research question, solving a research problem, or generating new knowledge through a systematic and orderly collection, organization, and analysis of information. Research has been defined in a number of different ways, and while there are similarities, there does not appear to be a single, all-encompassing definition that is embraced by all who engage in it. Research, in simplest terms, is searching for knowledge and searching for the truth. The Oxford Dictionary describes research as a careful study of a subject, especially in order to discover new facts or information about it. Thus, research could be scientific, medical, or academic. For academic research, it involves a thorough investigation into what is known about a given topic. In academic research, the investigator will be required to examine and analyze scholarly sources when completing such assignments. An example of scholarly sources are literature review of secondary sources of information such as books, journals, conference proceedings, newspapers, magazines, and so on. Thus, research is defined as the creation of new knowledge and or the use of existing knowledge in a new and creative manner so as to generate new concepts, methodologies, and understandings. In order to conduct an effective research, the researcher needs to develop a strategy, design research hypotheses, choose the methodology or data collection tools, data processing instruments, data interpretation, and present solutions of the problem. So what we're talking about here is that when you look around our societies, you will realize that some outcomes of researches are entirely as a result of new knowledge. Example, a scientific article that has emerged from experimentation, from lab works. Another example could be breakthrough innovations, that is, outcomes of research into products that have never existed before in medicine and technologies. For instance, iPhones and others. Why some are as a result of improvement on existing knowledge or innovations, such as a literature review article that has emerged from reviewing existing researches from secondary sources, improvements on the typewriter machines into the desktop and laptop computers, the conventional telephones into the handheld GSM telephones, and there's a lot of other examples around our communities. In order to support the earlier explanation, the Webster Online Dictionary defines research in more detail as a studious inquiry or examination, especially investigation or experimentation aimed at the discovery and interpretation of facts, revision of accepted theories or laws in the light of new facts, or practical application of such new or revised theories or laws. However, academic research is a planned and systematic activity that leads to new knowledge and or the discovery of solutions to problems or questions. John Creswell is among the authors who states that research is a process of steps used to collect and analyze information to increase our understanding of topic or issue. He proposed that research consists of 3 steps, which are: you pose a research question, followed by collect data to answer the question, after which you present an answer to the question. These are the suggestions of John Creswell as a 3-step model for conducting research. In the words of the American sociologist Ajagbe, he posited that research is a systematic inquiry to describe, explain, predict, and control the observed phenomenon. The author added that research is a careful consideration of study regarding a particular concern using scientific methods. He further suggested that the methodology used in scientific researching involves inductive and deductive methods. Scientific research is a systematic way of gathering data and harnessing curiosity. Scientific research makes practical applications possible. Most scientific researches are funded by public authorities, by charitable organizations, and by private groups, including many companies. Most often, it is a widely held perspective that scientific research, which include published articles, copyright, intellectual property rights, is a widely used criterion for judging the standing or ranking of an academic institution, although there are contrary perspectives that such is an inaccurate assessment of tertiary academic institutions because the quality of research does not tell about the quality of teaching. However, what they are talking about here is that what is being discussed here is that judging the quality of a university by only considering the quality of research is not an adequate yardstick to determine a quality university education. Quality of teaching and involvement of foreign professors in your university also should be included as an equally important yardstick when ranking the quality of tertiary education globally. I will conclude this section by listing some examples of research outcomes which are published articles in scientific journals: genetically modified crops, medications, drugs and vaccines, telephones and handheld mobile phones, laundry machines, and other numerous innovations that we can find around us. Thank you, guys, and help us to circulate, share, like our videos so that we will continue to bring more content to you. Thank you.